A program managed by the San Luis Obispo City Fire Department is offering crisis support services with a major focus on the homeless population. Program launched in July 5th of 2022, and more than a year later, the need for its services has been greater than ever. KSBY's Kimberly Cruz has more.
The mobile crisis unit van is equipped with food, water, and blankets. It's also staffed by a caseworker and a firefighter paramedic. Now, over its course of its operation this past year, it's had its most impact on the unhoused community.
What may look like a regular van is actually a tool helping change the lives of many.
Intent of that unit is to offload some of the response to our fire engines and our emergency response personnel to handle scenarios that are not necessarily emergencies and don't necessarily require traditional medical intervention.
While the mobile crisis unit was launched to aid first responders with mental health situations, a year later the unit is doing just that, but has also expanded to much more.
So our mobile crisis unit, when it's not being requested by fire department or ambulance or police resources, is the mobile crisis unit is actively engaging with our homeless populations or our partners within the county. So in many cases, our homeless population are out of sight and in many ways out of mind.
It's not just a numbers game. It's not just trying to make as many contacts as possible. I think they do their work in a very intentional way.
The unit is activated multiple ways, but the most common is the van just driving around to areas that are not always visible.
San Luis Creek, throughout our creek beds, behind buildings, in places that many of us don't typically see them.
The specialized unit is equipped to help with people experiencing a mental health crisis, but also connects them with other resources.
When we go out, many folks are malnourished. They're hungry, they're hot, or they're cold, and so simply providing a level of comfort to people oftentimes is a good lead-in to additional conversations.
Here's a look at the statistics from the first year of operation. According to the SLO City Fire Chief, there have been 64 reunifications with a homeless person and their family, around 3,500 contacts, which can be the start of a conversation or just offering help, and 471 calls for service.
The county adopted a 5-year plan to address homelessness, and the city had adopted a 2-year plan, and our mobile crisis unit and community action team with the police department both fall under that pilot program.
Now, looking into the future, Fire Chief Tuggle says he hopes his model is replicated county-wide. He also adds he hopes this service can be provided 24/7. In San Luis Obispo, Kimberly Cruz, KSBY News.
The mobile crisis unit is funded through the city's general fund. The unit operates Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.